In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add security questions in PayPal. If you want to make your PayPal account a little more secure, adding a security question is a simple step that can help with account verification and recovery. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to save your question and answer properly. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to your main account page. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click the gear icon to open your account settings. After the settings page loads, find the security section. This is where PayPal keeps important options related to protecting your account, such as login and verification settings. Click on Security to continue. On the security page, look for the option labeled Security Questions. When you find it, click it to open the setup page. This will take you to the area where you can add or update your security question. Next, click on the first security question field. This opens the selection menu so you can choose the question you want to use. PayPal will typically provide a list of preset questions for you to pick from. Choose a question that you can answer easily and remember later, but make sure the answer isn't something too obvious or easy for someone else to guess. Once you've selected your question, move to the answer field and type in your response. Take your time here and enter the answer exactly the way you want to remember it. It's a good idea to be consistent with things like capitalization, spacing, or abbreviations if you think those might matter later. Also, try to use an answer that is memorable to you but not publicly known. When everything looks correct, click Save. This will apply the security question to your PayPal account. After saving, your new security question should be active. It's always a smart idea to review your account security settings from time to time to make sure everything is up to date. And that's it. That's how to add security questions in PayPal. If you're following along, just move carefully through each screen, double check your answer before saving, and you'll be done in only a minute or two.